Alright, so today we're checking out the XK A170. This is a Boeing 787 replica. Pretty huge. This is kind of like their 1S planes, but scaled up. 660 millimeter wingspan, 640 millimeters in length, and weighs about 270 grams. Runs off of a 3S 950 milliamp hour LiPo. It does include a hobby grade style transmitter. The gimbals are hobby grade. Putting this together was not too bad. So here's what the underside looks like. Putting this together wasn't too bad. There's obviously two wing pieces here and the tail fin, and just one screw for the tail fin. There's 4 screws for the main wing, and there's a carbon fiber spar. There's actually no glue in this, surprisingly. It only took me about 15 minutes to put together. Very easy. Got these huge landing feet that are totally not scale. As you can see, we'll have to see if we can take it off on grass or not. The motors here are brushless. 1109, I think, is a weird size, 6500 kV, and obviously these are EDF fans. Aileron and elevator control only, and we have rotor control via differential throttle on the 2 EDF ducts. Alright, so we have on the controller basically like a 6G and a 3D mode. 6G is like stabilized, and then 3D is like basically you can roll it over and stuff, but I don't think I want to do that with this model. There's also this kind of strange called surround 3D mode. I don't know what that is. It's probably some kind of return to home or making it circle-y or something like that. We'll give it a try and see how it does. Alright, it could do texting. Oh, it's kind of funny looking. And it does, the throttle, differential throttle does work. All right, let's try and take it off. Wow. Okay. Oh, differential throttle does work. And stabilized. Kind of quiet. Going downwinds really fast. All right, so this is a bit faster than I was expecting. This is probably one of their heaviest planes ever made. Let's see if I can. It's a little slower going into the wind, but it's fast. Definitely don't recommend this for your first model. This is made of EPO foam, so if you do crash it, almost stalled it. If you do crash it, like I'm about to do there, I see what's going on here. So when you give it a lot of differential throttle, one of the motors kind of just dies, or basically goes to 0. So you do have a tendency to stall. So you're gonna need a large area like this to fly it around, especially in a little bit of wind. I won't recommend flying this in large amounts of wind. It's not super easy to control, and you do need a lot of airspeed, otherwise it'll stall on you. So definitely recommend this for intermediate to advanced pilots. This is not a beginner model in my opinion. I am in the 6G mode, which is, you know, fully stabilized, but I'm kind of afraid to put it into 3G mode. Yeah, I don't think I'm pretty sure I'll probably stall this. The CG seemed right. I mean, the battery, there's no way to adjust the CG in terms of moving the battery around. It's a very, very tight fit inside. Wow, it was a little windy up there. You can see it bouncing around. And with that this huge landing gear on there, it doesn't look scale whatsoever. yeah, if you tip it over too much and don't have enough airspeed, it will stall on you, and then you got to pull up a lot of airspeed to bring up. Come back. Got some dogs here. For some reason I thought this would fly slower, but given the weight and the kind of skinny wings, you know, it's not surprising, and it does need quite a bit of airspeed to maintain flight. So yeah, you know, for those of you guys that like the faster planes, you might like this a lot. I'm gonna bring it by for a pass here. This thing is actually a little bit thrilling. And it's actually surprisingly quiet. I'm really shocked how quiet this is. I need to get a thumbnail, so bring it nice and close. Oh. Don't do what I'm doing. Wow. Actually, it does kind of fly more stable when it's flying fast. Oh my gosh. Alright, I think I'm bringing it for landing here. I'm feeling the power starting to go. Oh man, that was a rough landing, but I don't think I broke anything. That was a crosswind landing. I should have landed in that direction where the wind's coming from, and that's why I tipped over, so I was coming in crosswind. It's fine. It looks like I did bend the landing gear. Let's see here. How much did it bend? As you can see, it's kind of bent here. Yeah, I got bent. It's okay. It's not too bad. It's a little... it's fine. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Talk to you guys later.